Making a simple light-controlled lamp requires only a few components. The bulb is designed to automatically illuminate at night and switch off during the day. Begin by preparing a BT151 thyristor and familiarize yourself with its pin configuration. Next, prepare 4N4007 diodes. Following the full bridge rectifier circuit design, connect these diodes together. Attach the positive output of the rectifier bridge to the second pin of the thyristor and link the negative output to the first pin using a wire. Prepare an 82 kilo ohm 1.4 watt resistor and connect it between the second pin and the gate of the thyristor. This resistor serves as the upper trigger resistor for the gate current. Additionally, use a 100 kilo ohm 1 watt resistor to connect between the first pin and the gate. Prepare a photoresistor and also connect it between the first pin and the gate. These two resistors in parallel form the lower voltage divider for the thyristor's trigger circuit. Now, locate a lamp holder and attach a power line to it. Cut one of the wires to facilitate the connection between the power supply and the load. Connect the two ends of the severed wire to the AC input terminals of the rectifier bridge, disregarding polarity. Finally, attach a light bulb to the setup, plug in 220 volts of AC power, and the lamp is ready for use. During the day, when the ambient light is strong, the light bulb remains off. However, as the light dims at night, the bulb will automatically light up. Have you understood this circuit?